Hello everyone. In this video, I solved this math question. This question is x square plus y square equal to 25 and xy equal to 12. What is the value of xy? It is a first equation and it is a second equation. So we know that x square minus y square whole square equal to x square plus y square whole square minus 4ab. Here is a equal to x square and b equal to y square. Now I can say x square plus y square equal to 25. So here is 25 whole square minus 2 times xy whole square. Now I can say 25 whole square minus 2 times, we know that xy equal to 12. So here is 12 square. Now I can say 25 whole square equal to 625 minus 24x square, and now 625 minus 576. We know that 24 square equal to 576, and now I can say easily 625 minus 576 equal to 49, and I can say here is x square minus y square whole square equal to 49, and if I use both side square root, so I can say easily x square minus y square equal to 7. So it is the third equation. First equation is x square plus y square equal to 25, and third equation is x square minus y square equal to 7. Now I can say first equation plus third equation. Here is first equation, x square plus y square. I add, so plus x square minus y square equal to 25 plus 7. And now I can say y square is cancelled, so x square plus x square equal to 2x square equal to 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. And now I can see easily x square equal to 16, and if I use both side square root, so I can say easily x equal to plus minus 4. Again, first equation minus third equation. So first equation is x square plus y square minus x square minus y square equal to 25 minus 7. Now here is x square plus y square minus x square plus minus equal to plus y square equal to, we know that 25 minus 7 is equal to 18. Now I can say easily x square is cancelled, so 2y square equal to 18. And now I can say y square equal to, if I divide 18 by 2, so now I can see it is 9. So 9. Now I use both side square root. Now I can say easily here is y equal to plus minus 3, and now I can say easily xy equal to plus minus 4 and plus minus 3. This is the answer. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.